Automation of accounting systems, operations, and management using AI agents, and user-friendly software, no-code platforms. Today, accounting automation is not a distant concept, it's a current reality. The swift advancement of artificial intelligence, AI agents, and no-code platforms enables businesses to revolutionize their approaches to accounting systems, operations, and management. This blog explores the game-changing impact of these technologies, their specific applications in accounting tasks, the tools that facilitate them, and the prospective future of automated finance. Introduction: the need for accounting automation. Accounting encompasses essential yet repetitive tasks like managing ledgers, crafting financial statements, ensuring compliance, and predicting cash flows. Traditional methods are often time-consuming, prone to errors, and expensive. By employing AI agents, and no-code platforms, human errors are reduced through smart validation methods. Processes like reconciliation, reporting, and compliance can operate continuously. Data evolves into a real-time asset for informed decision-making. Businesses experience enhanced scalability and cost-effectiveness. Automation complements accountants by transitioning their focus to strategic decision-making and advisory roles. 1. Accounting tasks ideal for automation. 1.1 Core financial statements. Balance sheet. AI agents classify assets, liabilities, and equity autonomously by leveraging machine learning techniques. Profit and loss. Income statement, revenues and expenses are automatically categorized, allowing for monthly, quarterly, or daily updates. Cash flow statement. Both direct and indirect methods are automated via integration with bank feeds and ERP systems. 1.2 Reporting and compliance management reports, variance analysis, and regulatory compliance documents are generated automatically. AI continuously verifies compliance with IFRS, GAAP, and taxation standards. 1.3 Routine accounting activities. Accounts payable and AMP, receivable, optical character recognition, OCR, and AI validations enable invoice recognition. Payroll processing. Integration with HR systems allows for smooth salary disbursements. Bank reconciliation. This process matches bank records with accounting entries automatically. 1.4 Advanced functions. Tax planning and AMP, filing. AI utilizes predictive models to optimize tax responsibilities. Forecasting and AMP, budgeting. Predictive analytics assist in managing revenue growth, expense supervision, and investment avenues. Fraud detection. AI models scrutinize out-of-the-ordinary transactions, identifying anomalies. 2. Technologies powering automation. 2.1 Artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, ML, analyzes transaction patterns for both categorization and fraud detection purposes. Natural language processing, NLP, extracts important data from invoices, receipts, and contracts. Predictive analytics, projects sales, cash flow, and identifies potential financial risks. 2.2 AI agents. AI agents function as independent decision-makers. They oversee invoicing, approving or flagging discrepancies. They schedule recurring tasks, such as payroll or compliance submissions. They simulate various financial scenarios, e.g., tax strategies. They interact with managers via chatbots for on-demand financial reports. 2.3 User-friendly software, no-code platforms. No-code platforms, like Zoho Creator, Airtable, QuickBase, and Microsoft Power Apps, empower finance teams to create dashboards without requiring coding skills. Automate workflows using intuitive drag-and-drop features. Consolidate various data sources, including ERP, CRM, and banking applications. 3. Merging AI and no-code in accounting processes. 3.1 Invoice to payment. First, OCR reads the invoices, Then an AI agent checks the vendor details, after which an easy-to-use software tool that doesn't require coding starts the approval process, leading to an automated payment. 3.2 Financial Statement Preparation. The AI automatically compiles the ledger entries, then easy-to-use software templates generate the reports, and finally an AI agent checks that everything meets compliance standards. 3.3 Audit and Risk Management. The AI highlights any unusual transactions, the AI agent runs simulations to test different scenarios, and then easy-to-use dashboards present the potential risks for auditors to review. 4. Automation Examples. Example 1. Automated balance sheet creation. The AI automatically pulls data from the ERP system, organizes the accounts, updates the balance sheet in real time, and then shows asset and liability trends on an easy-to-use dashboard that doesn't require coding. Example 2. Payroll Automation. Our systems supply the timesheets, the AI checks the data for accuracy, then easy-to-use automation tools that don't require coding calculate tax, superannuation, and net salaries, and finally an AI agent carries out the payments. Example 3. AI Agent for Tax Filing. The AI agent reviews all transactions, identifies which expenses can be claimed as deductions, applies tax optimization models, and then prepares a draft tax return. 5. Advantages of AI and no-code accounting accuracy. Minimizes potential human errors. Speed. Facilitates real-time financial reporting. Cost efficiency. Reduces time and resource expenditure. Scalability. Effective for businesses of all sizes, from small firms to large corporations. Accessibility. No-code platforms enable non-technical employees to engage. Compliance. Automated validations lessen regulatory challenges. 6. Challenges to consider. Data security. Protection of sensitive financial information is essential. Ethical AI usage. Addressing algorithm biases must be a priority. Integration. Legacy systems may face challenges connecting with AI solutions. Change management. Staff training and adapting to new cultures is vital. 7. Future of automated accounting. The future envisions finance departments operating autonomously. AI agents collaborate with human accountants. Predictive models continuously refine financial strategies. Blockchain technology ensures transparent and tamper-proof records. Quantum computing enhances the speed of large-scale financial simulations. Conclusion. The automation of accounting, propelled by AI, AI agents, and no-code platforms, is reshaping global financial practices. From everyday bookkeeping to strategic management, these intelligent systems liberate accountants from mundane tasks, enabling a focus on analysis, innovation, and growth. The era of automated accounting extends beyond quicker balance sheets and streamlined audits. It transforms finance into a strategic powerhouse in real time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.